Oh no, Scooby, you're trapped in the box. Who trapped you in there?
I don't know, there's a monster, I think.
Hey Scooby, let's go find who trapped you in that box. Hey, it's Jackson, Storm, and Hall Ingas. Hey, we're looking for who trapped Scooby in the box. Can you tell us if you've seen a monster? Well, I saw a monster, I think. It was yellow. It was super loud. Yeah, when it drove past, it shook the earth. Great. Thanks, Hall Ingas and Jackson Storm. Let's go see if we can find that monster. Oh yeah. It was yellow, I think, but it was super dirty. Wow, thank you. Whoa. Scooby, I think we found a monster. But that just looks like Earthshaker. That's just Earthshaker. That's not a monster. But it's yellow, it's dirty, and it's so big it shakes the earth when it drives. Look. Wow. Let's keep looking, Scooby.
Okay.
Hey, it's Cruz Ramirez. Hey Cruz, we're looking for monsters. Someone trapped Scooby in the box. Can you help us find the monster? Have you seen one recently?
No, I haven't seen one recently, but I did see a giant hot dog. It drove by, and that might be the monster that trapped Scooby in there. I don't know, but it was nearby. It was orange and yellow.
Thanks, Cruz Ramirez.
Thank you.
Let's go see if we can find the orange hot dog monster. Oh my goodness. Scooby, we found the hot dog monster. But it's just the Oscar Mayer hot dog monster truck. It's not an actual monster. That's probably not who trapped you in there. Let's keep looking. Oh. Hey, it's Ramon. Hey, Ramon. Scooby got trapped in a box. We're looking for the monster that might have trapped him in there. Have you seen one?
Well, I saw a black and white zebra come by. It was pretty scary looking, but I don't know where it went, so maybe that's the monster you're looking for.
Okay, thanks Ramon. Let's go, Scooby. Let's go see if we can find a black and white zebra monster. Whoa. Hey, Scooby, is that the monster? No, that's just racing stripes. But it is black and white, and it is a zebra. Huh. If that's not the monster, where could it be? Let's keep looking, Scooby.
Okay.
Hey, Mrs. the King. Scooby's looking for a monster that trapped him in the box. Have you seen any monsters that we can investigate?
Well, I did see one monster. It was like a giant wolf. It was brown and real scary looking. But I don't know where it went, and I don't want to see it again. It was too scary.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. the King. We'll go investigate. Let's go, Scoobs.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, is that it? Scooby, I think we found the other monster. That's gotta be it. That's just like Mrs. the King. She described it. It's brown, it's super scary looking, and it looks like a wolf. It's wolf's head. But this is just a monster truck. That can't be a monster, can it? I don't know. Let's keep looking. Let's talk to some more friends. Hey, Scooby, who's that?
Oh, that's Mater. Mater, it's Mater.
Hey, Mater. Scooby's looking for a monster that trapped him in the box. Can you help us find that monster?
Well, you know, I haven't seen one lately, but I did see a bright orange bull come by. You wouldn't believe it. It was a big old steer. Had horns, yellow horns, and it was going through the field.
Thanks, Mater. Scooby and I will go look and see if we can find a bright orange bull with yellow horns. That sounds pretty made up. Whoa, Mater wasn't joking. Look what we found, Scooby. It's a bright orange bull with yellow horns. It's El Toro Loco. That's not the monster that trapped you, though. That's just another monster truck. We gotta keep looking. Let's go, Scoobs. Surely we'll be able to find a monster if we just keep asking around. Hey, Scooby, let's talk to the sheriff. The sheriff surely will know if there's a monster nearby. Hey, Sheriff. Hey, Scoobs. Scooby's looking for a monster that trapped him in the box. But we weren't able to find him. We found all these other monster trucks, but not the monster. Can you help us?
Sure. Well, monsters aren't real. That's just playing pretend. But there was something I couldn't really describe that was pretty odd the other day. It was purple, and it had horns, and looked like a dinosaur. But dinosaurs are extinct, so I don't know. But maybe that's the monster you're looking for, because that's the only thing that makes sense to me.
Great, thanks, Sheriff. Hey, Scoops, let's go see if we can find a purple dinosaur with horns. Wow, can't believe it. This must have been what the sheriff saw. It's so silly. It's a monster truck. It's a purple monster truck with 3 horns. And it's a dinosaur monster truck. It's Jurassic Attack. This must have been what the sheriff saw. And it makes sense because this is really convincing that it could be a dinosaur. It looks super real. But it's just another monster truck. This can't be what we're looking for, is it? I don't know. Let's keep investigating. Hey, it's Mr. the King. Hey, Mr. the King. Scooby's looking for the monster that trapped him in the box. Have you seen any monsters recently?
Well, I did see one thing that looked a little suspicious. It was a huge train. It just drove by and went choo-choo. Really scared me. Maybe that's the monster you're looking for.
Okay, Mr. the King. Let's go see if we can investigate, Scoops. What do you say?
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Scooby, look who we found. It is a giant train, but it's Loco Punk. It's a train monster truck. That's so silly. That must have been what Mr. the King saw. Huh. But that's not the monster that locked you in the box, is it?
No, it's not.
Okay, let's keep investigating. Hey, it's Ivy. Hey, Ivy. Scooby's looking for a monster. Can you help us find one?
Well, I used to be called a monster, but I'm not a monster. I'm just a monster truck. But I did see something that looked really out of this world. It looked kind of like a dragon. It had big red wings, and it was breathing fire.
Huh. That's interesting. What do you think, Scoobs?
That doesn't sound real.
Yeah, I agree. It doesn't sound real, does it? Dragons aren't real. Plus a dragon that breathes fire? That sounds pretty suspicious. Let's go look. Oh, wow. Huh. That must have been what Ivy was talking about. It is a dragon. It's Dragonoid. It's breathing fire too. Wow. It's a fire-breathing Dragonoid. But that's not the monster we're looking for, is it? Let's keep looking, Scooby. Oh my goodness. Scooby, it's Lightning McQueen. Hey guys, McQueen, have you seen a monster? Scooby's looking for one that trapped him in a box.
No, haven't seen one, but I did see something that looked real suspicious. It was a fire horse. It looked like a horse that was on fire. It was bright orange.
Wow. That makes us really have to think about it, huh, Scooby? Let's go look for a horse that's on fire. Let's go. Huh. Scoobs, Lightning McQueen wasn't making it up. That's a bright orange horse that looks like it's on fire. It's horsepower. Wow. That's not the monster though. Huh. Are we ever gonna find the monster? I don't know. Let's keep looking. Let's do some investigations on our own and see if we can find a trail. I think I see some signs over there. Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Scooby, is that the monster?
Yeah, that's it. That's the guy. I think I put him in there.
Oh my goodness. He locked other monsters in there too. How can we get them out? You're under arrest. Oh no. Good job, Scoobs. You figured it out. Now we'll turn Monster Mutt Poodle into the authorities. And let's get these other monster trucks out of the jail too. It's double-decker.
Thanks, Scoobs.
We'll trash it all. Thanks, Scoobs. And Snakebite. Thanks, Scooby, for saving us. Let's see all the vehicles that we talked to today. Jurassic Attack. Loco Punk. Dragonoid. El Toro Loco. Wolf's Head. Earthshaker. Racing Stripes. Horsepower. Oscar Mayer Hot Dog. Mrs. the King. The King. Mater, Ramon, Cruz Ramirez, Ingus, Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm, Ivy, and the Sheriff. How many vehicles did we talk to today to find the monster that Scooby was looking for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We found 21 vehicles just to find the monster that trapped Scooby-Doo. Oh no! Scooby, it was Monster Mutt Poodle all along. I guess he just wanted to be friends, and he really likes being your friend. See you next time, friends.